Hello, here we have a Fisher and Paykel Pride 5.5 Smart Drive cycle, and we're going to show the music today. So this is an old washing machine, so you start the music in a different way to the new washing machines because the power button's up here on the new washing machine and the advanced button's there instead of the power button being there. The start button's there, all these buttons are there, but we don't have any of these. We only have one button, so you scroll through all of these. So, we're going to show you them. So these are the two buttons you have to press, power and advance. Sometimes when you do it, it turns on into power when you start it, but you don't want that. You should see these lights flashing, but on a new washing machine it starts like that. So when you start it on a new washing machine, all the lights come on. Then it does that. Then you press this button for 2 seconds. And if you want to change the song, the button beside it, you press that for 2 seconds, then you'll hear another beep, then you press the other one again. And just to let you know, on the new washing machines they've got 3 songs, 3 national anthems, which is the New Zealand and Australia, and I don't know the other one. There's the New Zealand national anthem. Got some washing in there. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you like it, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you, bye.